Number 3, lesson number 2 of your homework for the week, and we're in Unit 5. I am seeing that we have to draw a diagram for each, and then we have to write these addition expressions that we have been doing in class. So let's jump right onto it. We'll do A. Our diagrams always have these number lines on them. So we got this number line where the temperature was 80 degrees. So I'm going to put 80 on here. Our diagrams always have us go to the first number, and then from that mark do what happened and then show like where it ended up. And so it came from 80 and it fell 20, so that would put me right about here and land me at 60. So that's the diagram. That's what that looks like. That's really easy to do. And your addition expression would simply just be 80 plus negative 20 gives us the 60. And remember, it wants an addition expression, so we have to use plus negative 20. We can't just write 80 minus 20. We're trying to really get that idea of adding negative into the thought process. So B, we're looking at another temperature for B, but this one is starting below 0 and it's moving up. So, let's hear it again.
Kaylee Taylor, come to the office, please. Kaylee Taylor to the office, please.
Uh-oh. Kaylee Taylor, she must be in trouble. She had to go to the office. All right, 0. I'm sure that's not true. 0, the temperature is at negative 13, so we're going to go back here to start. And from that point, there was a change, and the change was that the temperature rose 9 degrees. So if we rise 9 degrees from that point, it's going to land us not quite to 0, but before it, and we can find out what that point is if we subtract 13 and 9, which gives us negative 4. And that's the diagram of it, and of course the addition expression would be negative 13 plus 9 equals negative 4. Alright, last one. Let's knock this thing out. The temperature, let's put C right here. We've got our number line. Temperature was at negative 5. So that would be like right about here for me. And from that point, it fell another 8. So we just continue to go back further into the negatives. And the question is, where does that land? That goes back even further. 8 plus 5 gives me 13. So we're 13 into the negatives. And that addition expression would be negative 5 plus a negative 8. And we get negative 13. All finished with problem number 3.